What do we have this week? This week's minigame. I enjoyed the chipmunks. The chipmunks are back.
What?
Okay, so so this is
What kind of show
the guess. You got to guess the entrance theme, but I've sped them up to speed. So all the entrance themes are basically sounds like chipmunks are singing them. It's quite funny. Once again, I'm sorry. There's a little bit of static with some of these. I still don't know why, but you know it shouldn't overpower the music. So anyway, I'll play them all only twice. You guys got to write down whose entrance theme you think this is. All right, here we go. Number 1.
That laugh works so well in that.
I can see Grayson losing his shit. That
was so funny.
All right, we have the game Triple H, and Grayson. Yours was a little blurry. Hold it up again. Yeah, Triple H. Yeah, the game Triple H. Sweet. All right, 1. Hey, Grayson, you're on the board. Yay!
Finally.
The mini game's handy for just the easy points.
Yeah.
You guys are all sort of guessing along as well. Triple H. Triple H. Well done, guys. All right. Here is song number 2.
That is great.
I'm just imagining
that was more of the chipettes and not the chipmunks.
All right, so we have Kelly, and Smitty.
I met her.
Correct.
This is how funny. She was like my crush when it came to WWE. And when I was going on my honeymoon, my wife at the time, I ran into Kelly in the airport.
Was she your whole
wife to take a picture of me and Kelly.
Oh,
what a wonderful wife you have. That is the greatest thing ever. Alvin and the Chipmunks WWE edition. Finally, Grace was hit the board. Yes, Brisbane starting off easy. Yeah, that's just fun pointsies. Kelly, KK. Oh,
Stacey Keebler.
Stacey Keebler.
True. All right.
Mine was Tori Wilson.
Almost went Tori Wilson.
Like when I first saw her in WCW, like she was with the NWO and then did a whole thing with David Flair and yeah.
And then the the Filthy Animals.
Filthy Animals. Yep.
Yeah.
Memories. All right, here's number 3.
Ridiculous to this day.
It's the Eli bopping around in the back. Would you like me to play it again?
Can you play it one more time?
Yep.
Okay.
Justin says, Grayson, same man. She was my crush too. How many? Chris says, how many points you get is how many days I'll let you stay champion if you win.
Oh.
Here's the thing. Chris has to say that because they're friends in a faction. He knows the real truth. Iceman couldn't lace up my boots.
All right, what did you guys got?
I went Hornswoggle Fit Finley.
Yeah.
Hornswoggle. It was Hornswoggle. I'll give you all a point for that. Well, you at least wrote Hornswoggle. It was funny.
I
it was Finley's theme too. So
yeah. But didn't Finley have like one that's like he loves to fight, and then it got like more darker after that? I feel like that upbeat one was more Hornswoggle than Finley.
No, that was Finley when he was babyface. That's what.
Oh, that's right. Okay, I miss heel Finley.
Oh, good. Sorry, all I can think of is Sheamus's theme. I can't think of Finley's theme. All right, here we go.
You didn't have the chipmunks go. My name is Finley, and I love to fight.
Finley should be in the Hall of Fame by now.
Big call.
He trains so much.
Yeah. All right, number 4.
Rigo's going to induct him.
Super fly.
Grayson's on the board for this. He's like, no, here's my answers. We're good.
It doesn't matter about the delay with this.
Exactly. All right. So, you good, Smithy?
Yeah.
All right. Okay. So we have Superfly Jimmy Snuka, and Grayson. I think again you also had you had Superfly.
Superfly.
I just didn't want to say yours because the others were still writing, so I didn't want to give away answers, even though you all probably knew anyway. I'd still like to be fair. All right.
But then that's thanks for that delay, Grayson.
All right, number 5.
That is by far my favorite one so far.
If he came out to that, I reckon it'd be so much funnier. Yeah, agree. All right. And these were yours. Ricochet, correct. Ricochet across the board. Well done. That is the end of.
I feel they could use him a bit better, and I hope they do. I hope they use him better because when he first came from NXT, I thought, yes, they're going to come on from NXT.
That was a good one.
But now, after Brock Lesnar,
they're not going to use him. He's too little. They're not going to use him. That's why he's doing what he's doing now, because he's too little. McMahon doesn't know how to use wrestlers with talent.
Oh, so is that why Keith? Keith Lee's going back to the PC?
Yeah, I heard about that.
Exactly. No, he doesn't know what to do with Keith Lee either. He played with him for a little while. He dressed him up and gave him new entrance, and he's like, "Okay, I'm done playing with this toy. Be gone. Someone bring me a new flavor of ice cream." Because McMahon.
And it's weird because they just released a 24 on him as well.
Doesn't matter.
Documentary. I mean,
no.
But you'd think you'd use that to build them up, wouldn't you? So.
I still think he's going to be a big star in the future, though. Like, I can see him WWE champion.
I had him win Survivor Series as well.
Yeah, but it's like okay, it's like okay, McMahon tried to put a shirt on him. It's like just like a man wrestling with no shirt on, and like I said, you give him a new gear, a new ring entrance, and it did nothing. And then after a while, you booked him, you started him off hot, but then you did nothing afterwards. So
yeah. Bring back ice cream bars.
And Keith Lee is awesome. Vince is stupid.
Yeah.
All right.
Then again, half the time, honestly, it's not Vince's fault. It's more like whoever else is on creative with him. Vince just has the final say on everything. Vince has
the final word.
Yeah.
But
if somebody's getting a dumb push.
But if someone's going to whisper in his ear 24/7, of course he's going to change it on the fly.